Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that can make or break your cooking experience. What recipes assume you already know? Ever gotten halfway through a recipe and hit a wall because it expects you to understand something you just don't? Yeah, we've all been there. So, what are these hidden assumptions? Well, they fall into a few key categories. First up, basic cooking techniques. Recipes often skip over things like how to properly chop an onion, how to sauté vegetables, or how to tell when meat is cooked through. They might assume you know how to use a whisk, what simmer actually means, or the difference between braising and roasting. These are fundamentals that many cooks learn over time, but beginners might be completely in the dark about. Next, we have ingredient knowledge. Recipes will often refer to ingredients without defining them. What kind of olive oil? Extra virgin, regular, or even more specific things, like the difference between dry and fresh herbs. A recipe might call for mirepoix, without explaining that it's a mix of carrots, celery, and onion, or call for roux, without telling you it's the base of so many sauces. This can lead to some seriously confused cooking. Then, there's equipment familiarity. Recipes might assume you have certain tools on hand like a stand mixer, a food processor, or even a basic set of measuring cups and spoons. Some recipes are written with the expectation that you are using a specific type of cookware, like a cast iron skillet. A recipe that doesn't say this may lead to frustration. Another huge assumption is around timing. Recipes often give you a cooking time, but they don't always factor in prep time or resting time. You might start a recipe at 6 p.m., only to realize that it won't be ready until 9 p.m. This is where it becomes helpful to read a recipe fully before starting to cook. Finally, recipes frequently assume a certain level of culinary experience. They might use terms like degrease the pan, temper the eggs, or reduce the sauce, without explaining what these actions mean, leaving you bewildered. They also expect you to have some sort of understanding of flavor profiles and how different ingredients interact with each other. For example, a recipe might suggest seasoning with salt and pepper, without giving any amounts. So, how do you bridge the gap between what a recipe assumes and what you actually know? First, read the entire recipe before you start. This lets you identify any unfamiliar terms or techniques. Second, use online resources. YouTube is a fantastic place to search for how-to videos on specific cooking techniques. You can search for how to chop an onion, or how to make a roux, etc. There are tons of online resources that will help.